What's concerning is that the Department of Corrections just doesn't seem to understand how midazolam works. Midazolam does not increase the sedation level as the dosage goes up.
Thanks for joining us here at 5 o'clock. The federal trial challenging Oklahoma's execution protocol began today, 8 years after the lawsuit was first filed.
More than 30 Oklahoma death row prisoners say that 3-drug cocktail used is unconstitutional. State officials, though, say otherwise.
News 9's Ashley Holden joining us now live outside the federal courthouse. And Ashley, what have you heard so far?
Carl and Amanda, testimony is still going on right now, and you just heard from Dale Bache, who we have heard before, a federal public defender, talking about midazolam. Well, the plaintiffs have called 3 witnesses so far. The first really focused on midazolam and what Dale was just talking about, which is what it does to the body. And there was a lot of information coming from studies, a lot of discussions. OSU professor of pharmacology Craig Stevens, he called the state's protocol right now overall torturous. He says there's a ceiling effect to midazolam, meaning even if you give more, there's a point where it won't have any more effect. They also argued the level of sedation it gives, which is really the purpose of its use. So they also brought in another witness, someone from the University of Michigan who specialized in medicinal chemistry. He talked about a drug that was suggested as an alternate, pentobarbital. He said it would be simple to synthesize, but the defense raised issues with his argument that there would be a company or places that would be willing and able to help with this. Now, a pathologist who is actually the director of autopsies at the Mayo Clinic in Florida, he is testifying right now. He's going through dozens of autopsies from executions all over the country. One of them that has been mentioned so far is Clayton Lockett. Almost, if not all of them that they have discussed had pulmonary edema, which is fluid in the lungs. He is saying that this is not something that he would expect from a sudden death like this. So that means that he would not expect to see this, again, from something like a sudden death, like lethal injection. And so that is what they are inside discussing right now. We are expecting that today will wrap up here in just about 30 minutes. So we'll have to wait and see when. We're expecting that this trial will go all week. For now, live in Oklahoma City, Ashley Holden, Oklahoma's Own News 9.
Okay, Ashley, we'll be following it.